How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Slow Cooking Sunday. So in today's episode we're going to be making bacon and potato soup, which I'm kind of intrigued by. So yeah, let's see how this goes. The first thing we're going to do is add some oil into a pan and get that heating up. Then we're going to add 6 rashers of bacon cut into roughly 1-inch strips, 2 onions, very finely chopped, and then 2 cloves of garlic just crushed. So you don't need to worry about chopping that, just get it crushed. And then we're going to cook that for fry that off in the pan for about 5 to 6 minutes, just cooking it through kind of and sauteing it. So I'm just going to leave it like that, frying away nicely for another couple of minutes. It's already been in there for about 3 now. So that should be plenty of time, so I'm going to remove that from the heat now. So now I can start putting things in the slow cooker. So this will be on high. So first things first that's going in is potatoes and mushrooms. So you want 8, I'm just double checking, 8 medium-sized potatoes. Now this is where I have just changed things up a bit. It says to use 12 large flat mushrooms, which I'm not the biggest fan of these mushrooms, so I'm only doing 2, and it's just to have them in there, adding a bit of bulk. So obviously if you want to do it with 12, feel free. I definitely did not want to do it with 12, I feel like it'd be far too overpowering. So next is going into the slow cooker is the 670ml of chicken stock. I'm just going to make sure that gets poured everywhere. Lovely. Followed by 3 bay leaves. Then 2 teaspoons of thyme. You could use fresh or from a jar, completely up to you. I couldn't get any fresh from the shop, they'd ran out, so I'm just going with a simple jar, but it all does the same job. And then of course, last of all, going into here is our bacon, onion and garlic mix. Go. Make sure we get every last little bit. Obviously, if we miss a bit of onion, it's, the world's not going to end. Move the frying pan over here. Just get it all mixed together. There we go. I already think I've done the right amount of mushroom here because you just don't want it to be too much. It'll take so much away having all 12 from the bacon and the potatoes, which, it's a bacon and potato soup, not a mushroom with a hint of bacon and potato. Right, so now we're going to cover that and cook it for 5 to 6 hours, like I said, on high. I'm going to leave it for the full 6, and then we can come back and carry on with the next part of this. Okay, so now we're taking 4 tablespoons of flour and 675ml of milk. We're going to slowly add a bit of milk in here, turning this into a paste, and then we're going to add it all into the slow cooker. So, just a little bit, and then stir it in, just like that, and that should make a smooth paste. There we go, we've got a smooth paste. So now, we take over to the slow cooker. So here it is so far, so we're going to add in this first. So the paste first, followed straight away by the remainder of the milk. We're going to pour around the sides, just like so. And then it says to just gently stir it, just like, I assume that's what it kind of means. Smells good. And then we're going to leave it on high and cook it for a further 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours done. Ooh. And it's done. So let's get it served up and see what it looks like and how it tastes. Okay, so here we go. All served up now with some nice warm crusty bread. Looks pretty decent, but how does it taste? Really good, to be honest. It's nice and thick. You can really taste the bacon. The potatoes have cooked really nicely. Yeah, it's nice, especially for this time of year. perfect food for the cold and rainy weather. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy the rest of that now because it is tea time. So, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I would definitely say give this a go. Again, unless you're a big fan of the mushrooms, cut down on them. Definitely don't need that many. It would have been so overpowered with 12 in. Like I say, I only used 2. But yeah, other than that, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And obviously, if you're not already, subscribe. And then hopefully see you in the next one. Bye-bye.